Hi y'all, Karma here. I hope you're having an amazing day. Write me a comment below and let me know what you had going today, what you did today, or what you've got going this summer that you're doing for yourself. Today we're going to be opening Inked Goddess. Inked Goddess is a monthly subscription box that costs $32 a month with discounts if you're ordering multiple months at a time. The box each month will contain a beautifully scented handmade candle, a DIY, a kit activity, meditation, focus, spell, affirmation, or altar setup, 3 or more additional products to fit the theme of the month, and exclusive Eclectic Witch card deck expansion packs, which I love. And then the information cards with detail to tell you about what's in the box. Let's review quickly what we got in last month's box before we begin opening this month's box. In last month's box, we received the product description card and newsletter, the Burning Wish paper, the Fire Votive candle, the Resin Fire mini athami, the Vanadite in a display case, and that was really pretty, the Fire Element sticker, the Element of Fire spell kit, and I have not done that yet, so I can't give you any feedback. The Athami info card, the Color Your Own Suit of Wands tarot pack, and you know that I don't typically use tarot decks, they just don't really call to me. I appreciate those that have really learned it, but tarot is something I try to stick with. Oracle cards or angel cards, those kinds of things speak a little bit more to me. But I do have a few tarot decks, and I do think it's a great way to learn tarot, the way they're doing a color your own suit. And that way you're learning a suit at a time and you're coloring them, which is going to help you remember the meaning of the card. And then we also received next month's theme card, and so this month's theme is Head Witch in Charge. So let's see what we have in this month's box. Head Witch in Charge. So as we open up the box, you've got the card that gives you the theme, and then on the back it gives you the descriptions of the items in the box, which I'll go over as we pull the items out. And remember too, if you're only looking for items or you don't like listening to me read the descriptions, I have time-stamped all of my videos, so you can just go to the next item and watch me open the items without the descriptions. I do value your time, so I hope that's helpful. Okay, so we pull up the tissue paper and then we've got everything down inside our box. So, Head Witch in Charge, Boss Witch, July 2021. Being a boss witch doesn't just apply to those who work. Maybe I'll try my glasses. Being a boss witch doesn't just apply to those who work with themselves. Owning your power and taking control of your own life is achievable by anyone, regardless of career. This month's Inked Goddess Creations box contains items to help you build your personal power for success in your life. And it does say that all their paper is made from recyclable, and then gives you all the ways to reach them on the bottom of the card there. And like I said, I will read the items as we pull them out. So the first thing I see here looks like a little oil vial. And I love that they put them in a pouch, because that way if they leak, because essential oils often leak no matter how good you do them. And this says Boss Witch, Strengthen in Empowering Ritual Perfume Oil. And look, the color's kind of cool. It almost goes different colors. Starts out light and goes different towards the bottom. Of course, I'm sure. Let's see if we... Oh, it's the bottle that does that. I love that bottle. That's so cool. All right, let me see. What does it smell like? I smell a little light floral in there. Ooh, I don't know what it is, but it smells really good. What am I smelling? Let's see. Boss Witch Ritual Perfume Oil. A roller sample of our newest witchy oil, a blend of dragon's blood, cedarwood, geranium, and mandarin to help awaken your personal power and take control. That's it. I was smelling the geranium and the cedarwood together. That's a nice combination. Oh, that's yummy. Okay, then we have a box here. It's got one of the chakras on it. And then a bracelet here. So let me see how to open. There we go. Okay. So it looks like the solar plexus chakra symbol there. Same thing. It's got the little symbol there. And then a beautiful bracelet. Really nice. I like that. What does it say? I love my bracelets, so. Solar Plexus Gemstone Bracelet. Made of natural agate, this bracelet can help open and balance our solar plexus chakra, which is in the seat of our personal power. Wear it to help build self-confidence and calm and center when you need it most. Very pretty, and I will definitely be wearing that one. Yes, yes, yes. All right. Witchy Affirmation and Simple Spell Cards. They are shrink wrapped. Get it. Okay. There we go. Oh, and I love, it looks like it's made out of the same kind of texture as their cards. But it looks like we've got, so that's what's on the front of them, is what I showed you, or on the back of them, I should say. And then the front has all different types of things. So let me show you just a couple. That one says, I am a believer. May I continue to trust in the infinite power of the universe, believe in the mysterious, and have faith in myself and my magic. This one says, I am comfortable expressing my authentic self. May I continue to be true to myself and live life for my highest good. I love that. I love little affirmation cards like that that you can utilize every day. This one says, I am balanced and stable. May positive energy continue to flow calmly through me. Oh, I will definitely use these. Those are gorgeous. Just so pretty. All the artwork is amazing. Oh. Sorry, I just keep showing them to you because they're so pretty. I will love using these. And then this tells you how you can utilize them. So on the back of the first card. Oh, that's so neat. Love it. All right, what does it say about it? Witchy Affirmation and Simple Spell Cards deck. Unlike any other deck out there, these cards have a witchy affirmation to help bring positive energy into your life, as well as one-line spell to send your intention into the universe. This concept and deck were created by Morgan, owner of Inked Goddess Creations. I love the Morgan, and it's so perfect for someone like me, because you can really utilize them in the way you want. You can utilize them just as a daily affirmation, or you could turn them into a ritual, or you could turn them into a spell, depending on your outlook and what you're trying to achieve. HWIC, Head Witch in Charge Soap, Bath and Body Old Pueblo. And I'm not going to pull it out of the wrapper. It smells good, but it does smell a little soapy, and you know me and bar soaps. I have a hard time with a lot of bar soaps. Head Witch in Charge Soap, a sample bar blended with notes of the forest, soft berries, and musk to help raise your witchy vibes. Bars are handmade by O Pueblo Bath and Body Essentials, and then it gives their website and a coupon code that you can use to get 5% off your order on their website. I love that you've got something though that you can do a bath ritual with as you're setting your intentions or doing what you're doing. All right. So their candles always look like just a simple cheap votive, but they make them and they are not a simple cheap votive, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, what am I smelling? Personal Power Votive Candle, a blend of lemongrass, chamomile, patchouli, and dragon's blood to help activate your solar plexus chakra for confidence and strength. Maybe it's the patchouli and dragon's blood. Oh, so good. Okay. Then we have our Eclectic Witch deck. And you know I love these cards. They give me so many ideas for different things that I can do. But again, they're shrink wrapped. And I'm not being very good at opening shrink wraps, obviously. Okay, there we go. All right. So we have a card on the chakras, chakra placements, the root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus, heart, throat, and crown. Oops, I missed one. And third eye. And then crown. And then on each one of the chakras, it gives a description of the chakra, where it's found, what it affiliates with, and then the colors that go with it, the element, the gemstones, the herbs and oils that go with it, and then an affirmation at the bottom. Very nice. Chakra Expansion Pack for the Eclectic Witch deck. A full-sized expansion pack about the 7 chakras to help empower you with energetic knowledge. I love their expansions. And this time we kind of almost got 2 expansions with this little deck as well. Okay, one last thing in the box besides our sneak peek for next month, and it's just in a little box like this. I've been looking at these, I swear. I'm so excited because things come to me in my boxes that I've been looking at. So my guess is this is black tourmaline with quartz. Look at that. And these can be used in so many different ways. It could be used in a crystal grid. It can be used just by itself. Let's see what it says about it. That is a gorgeous piece. Quartz and black tourmaline gemstone generator. This combination of gemstones help keep energy balanced in your sacred space, your office. Place it on your desk or your home. Tourmaline also protects you from negative energy, while clear quartz amplifies the positive energy of the space. And I love that piece of quartz up there. Such a pretty piece. So, and let's look at this little card because it tells us, thank you for ordering Inked Goddess Creations box purchase this month. Here's your early access to next month's theme. Next month's theme will be Divine Masculine. I look forward to that. So let's do a quick review of what we got in this box. We received the Witchy Affirmation and Simple Spell Cards deck, the Quartz and Black Tourmaline Gemstone Generator, which was gorgeous, the Boss Witch Ritual Perfume Oil, the Solar Plexus Gemstone Bracelet, the Head Witch in Charge Soap, the Personal Power Votive Candle, and the Chakra Expansion Pack for the Eclectic Witch deck. I give this box a big thumbs up. I cannot wait to work with the items in this box. I really enjoy Inked Goddess because it gives you a plethora of items to utilize during the month, and I utilize them a lot during my new moon and full moon rituals. I had a great time with you today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.